Hello everyone. In today's session, we are going to discuss the parameters of the print statement in more detail. In the previous classes, we have discussed the parameters with some examples, but we need more clarity how to use the first parameter and second parameter, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. At the time of discussing the syntax of the print statement, the first one we have said is the object. Whenever we use the print statement, generally we specify only the object. We didn't specify the remaining parameters. Only we use object parameter. For example, if we want to display a message on the screen, for example, welcome to LearnNcode, in double quotes we write using print statement. Remaining parameters we didn't specify. Then here, what is the object? The object here is welcome to LearnNcode. That means the string which is enclosed in double quotes is the object. That means it is string object. Not only string object, we can take integer object, boolean object, any data type variable you can take. So that we will see with more examples. Here I'm going to the file and creating a new file. Here I'm writing print statement. In double quotes, just we are writing welcome to LearnNcode. This I'm writing here. See, according to the syntax of the print statement, here I am mentioning only the object. What about the remaining parameters? Here we know the remaining parameters are separator, comma, end parameter, next file parameter, and another one is flush parameter. These parameters we are not specifying. Just I am writing only the string welcome to LearnNcode. That means the remaining parameters are optional. What are the default values of those parameters like separator, end, and file, and the last one is flush? At the time of discussing theoretical part, I said that the default value of separator is space. Next, the default value of end is a new line character. Next, the default value of file is nothing but std out. That means sys.std out. And what is the default value of flush? The default value of flush is false. We have discussed this is theoretically. Now here, the remaining are by default they have set. No need to specify explicitly. Just I am writing welcome to LearnNcode. See, the string welcome to LearnNcode comes under an object, right? After printing, where we are going to print this object? We are going to print this object on the output device. That means output file. What is the output file which is associated with the output device? That is sys.std out. That is very, very important. Now, after writing this statement, next what I am writing is print. Here I am writing good day. Okay. I am writing two printf statements, print statements. See, when you execute this program, Python program, first it prints welcome to LearnNcode. In the next line, it is going to print good day. Why the good day statement is printed in the next line? Why? Because though you didn't mention here end parameter /n, by default /n will be executed and we are going to get the output as welcome to LearnNcode and second one is good day. Let us save this program. Save it, just you write print introduction.py. Just I'm writing like this. Here you do one thing. Save this program. Save this program in the desktop folder where I have desktop data here. Here I have created Python programming folder. Here you save the program. Now after saving this program, go to run. And here you select run module. See, after execution, we got welcome to LearnNcode and good day. So every statement is printed line by line. Now what I'm going to do is, after typing welcome to learn and code, here I'm mentioning the parameter end equals to, I'm giving space. Here explicitly I am giving this end equals to space. If you don't mention this, by default end equals to slash n. That means the cursor move to the next line. In the next line, the good day will be displayed. See, after printing welcome to learn and code, automatically the cursor moves to the next line. But here when you specify end equals to space, then slash, in place of slash n we have space. Means it prints only the space. After printing the space, on the same line we are going to get good day. Welcome to learn and code, good day in the same line. So let us save this program and run again. Run module. You observe this. Welcome to learn and code and good day. These two are displayed in the same line. That is the intention of giving space here, and equals to space. Right? Now, for example, if you don't give end equals to, like if we are mentioning end equals to space, and here also you do one thing, just I am mentioning separator equals to comma here, and also we are mentioning end parameter welcome to learn and code, and here we are using another string, two strings I want to print, welcome to learn and code, and here I am writing some statement like ps raw. Okay, now comma I am writing here. See, in the print statement I am mentioning the separator as well as the end parameter. So now you save and again you run it. Then when you run it, check it, welcome to learn and code, and it is displaying comma, and the second string it is displaying ps raw, and good day is in the same line. When you don't specify separator equals to comma, then automatically by default the separator becomes space. That we will see. Again run it. You observe this. Welcome to learn and code. Here space is printed, and next it is displaying the ps raw, and good day is displayed in the same line. So this is the use of writing the separator and end parameter. Now we will see how to use the file parameter. Let us go to the file and select a new file. Here what I'm going to do is, I'm creating a variable like file ptr, file pointer, is equals to, just I'm writing the function open. What is the need of open function? Open function opens a file either for writing mode or read mode. I'm going to open a new file. The name of the new file is, just I'm writing m file. I'm writing here is m file dot txt. Just I'm mentioning the text file. The name of the file is mfile.txt, comma. For what purpose I'm going to open the file? Write mode. I want to write the contents into the file myfile.txt, where it is pointed by the file pointer fileptr. How it is opened? By using open function. Now after writing this, now I'm using print statement. Print in double quotes. I'm going to write some text here. Welcome to learn and code. Here I'm writing like this. Welcome to learn and code. I'm writing this text into file. What is the name of the file here? File, you here you have to mention is file equals to. Here you mention the name of the file. What is the name of the file here? File pointer. We have to mention only the file pointer, fileptr. After this, better to close the file by writing the name of the file pointer file ptr dot close. You write this function close. After this, save this program, save it, and go to the desktop. Here I'm writing, opening the desktop. Here I'm writing, here I'm saving the program. My file dot, any name you can give, I'm writing like this. After writing this, then you run this code. Run it. It is executed, right? But we are not getting the output. Welcome to learn and code is written to the file called m file. So how to verify the contents? To verify the contents, you copy the path first. Copy the path and go to the command prompt. And here at this place, you change the directory and set the path here. Okay. Here, check whether your file is there or not by typing dir/p. See, m file is there here. M file is there here. The name of the program we have written is mfile.py. The text file is also m file here. Right. To see the contents, what you do is here, just you write type m file.txt. Check it. Now, welcome to learn and code is written here. This how the file parameter is going to work. Right. After this, next what I'm going to explain here is now to close it. Next, what we are going to see here, I'm going to explain the flush parameter, how the flush parameter is going to work. Go to the file and the new file I'm selecting. Here, what I'm going to write is just I'm writing the statement import time. I will explain how it will be executed. Last class, same program will be explained, but execution we didn't see. Import time. After this, you write one statement print in double quotes. Here I'm writing hello. Hello, I'm writing here. Hello. After typing this hello, just I'm writing end equals to space. See here, when you don't mention end equals to space, by default end equals to slashing, right? Slashing is same as pressing enter key. Whenever you press enter key, the message hello will be automatically flushed out and it is displayed on the screen. There is no concept of buffering here. So by default end equals to /n, when by default end equals to /n is there, then automatically the flush parameter by default set to false. Now here, when we use end equals to space, we are going to use the concept of buffering. Right after writing this end equals to empty space, next what I'm going to write here is I'm using the module time.sleep, and we are writing 5 means it is going, the execution of this program is suspended for 5 seconds, right? After this, I'm writing another statement, print hello everyone. I'm going to type here everyone, hello, and this is everyone. See here, when you execute this program in Python, ideally, due to some technical issues, we are not going to get the output properly. Actually, the output is like this. First, it is going to store the hello in buffer. Up to how many seconds? 5 seconds. Buffering is there. Why? We are specifying end equals to space. That's why hello is stored in the buffer, input buffer. Okay, or hello will be hello will be stored in the buffer. Okay, which is attached to the output file. Remember this, hello will be stored in the buffer, which is attached to the output file or output device. Why? Because you have specified end equals to space. When there is end equals to slash, and automatically it is flushed out, but we are writing end equals to space. And the hello message is in wait up to 5 seconds. Once the time is out, the execution will be started, and at a time hello will be displayed on the same line everyone is displayed. That is the output we are going to get. If you execute this program, first you save this. Here, go to desktop. Here I'm saving in Python programming. Here, give the name flush example, flush example.py. After this, if you run, you are not going to get the output properly. You check it. Where the output we are going to get is at the prompt, right? At the command line that we will see. See here, if you execute this, hello directly displayed, and it is waiting for 5 seconds, and after that it is printing everyone. This is not the correct output. So this is due to some technical problems in Python. Ideally, we didn't get the output properly. To get the output properly, what you do is better to do one thing. The name of the file here is flush example, right? The name of this program, Python program, is flush example.py. You do one thing, you copy the path here. Again, copy the path and go to the command prompt, run command, and here you say again to set the path like this. Now at this command prompt, you type Python. This is the way of executing the Python program at this command line, Python, and here we have written flush. The name of the program is flush example.py. Flush example.py. Run it. Just wait. So the file name is not matching here. This here flush example.py. Let us check it. Python flush example.py. Sorry, it is not flush. Fush. I have saved it as fush. Fush example.py. You you observe this. First, it is taking 5 seconds time. After 5 seconds time, hello will be displayed and everyone is displayed at a time. This how the flush is going to work. Now we will see the main usage of type function. For example, if I write type 10, already we have seen in the previous classes, but in today's session we will see elaborately. When you say type 10, so it is giving the class int, means 10 comes under integer class. Okay. Now in previous classes we have seen about the data types, integer, character. Okay, we have various data types. All the data types can be displayed by using the type function. If you say type 10, it is giving integer. Now if you write type 20.5, it is going to give type 20, sorry, it is type 20.5. It is going to give the float. Class is float. If I write type in double quotes hello, it is going to give the string. Not only single double quotes, you can also use single quotes. For example, PSR in single quotes. This is also comes under string. If I write type, in bracket, you mention true, right? It comes under the bool. It is giving all the data types. If you write type in bracket false, it is going to give the bool data type. That means we have completed string data type, integer data type, or float data type. So all these data types comes under the objects, right? So not only this, if you write type in bracket, if you mention square brackets, so square brackets comes under the list. It is giving the list. If you write type, here, type square brackets means list. If you write parentheses, it comes under tuple. You say tuple. If you write type, and if you mention this opening brace and closing brace, by default it will give the dictionary, right? So the opening braces and closing braces are used to represent the dictionary, at the same time sets. But by default, it is giving the dictionary. So if you want to get this set, what you do is just you mention type. Here I write 1 comma 2 comma 3. This is the directors. Now you are going to get the set. Okay. But when you give empty opening brace and closing braces, it's giving the dictionary. Next, if you say type, for example, in opening brace, for example, I'm writing the name. Okay, just I'm writing name, double quotes, name. Name here I'm mentioning, okay, Sunil, right? I'm mentioning name as Sunil, right? Here I'm writing like this, comma, comma, age. I'm mentioning age. So is age is 30. If we write like this, now it will become as the dictionary. The dictionary is going to take the key pair, key and value. Age is the key and its value is 30. When you mention the pair inside the set, it comes under the dictionary. When you mention the pair inside the opening brace and closing brace, comes under dictionary. When you mention only the numbers within the opening brace and closing brace, it comes under the set. To know what type of object it is, you can use the concept of type function. So with this, I'm going to close the session. In the next class, we will see more practical examples.